What's up guys, it is Spectre here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Skript, a Minecraft server plugin. This is a very nice plugin. It is a very easy programming language. It's probably the easiest I know, actually. Yeah, I don't even know if it's classified as a programming language, but it's kind of similar to Python. I don't know. But it's pretty easy. That's what I'm saying. So, hope you enjoy this video. Also, I want to make sure to shout out my friend Genetically Gaming. The link to his channel is upper right hand corner. He makes really nice Shinobi Life videos. It's a game on Roblox. If you're interested in that game, go check out his channel. Or even if you're not interested in that game, you should probably still go check out his channel because he uploads quality content. So yeah, anyway, let's get on with the video. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, of course, is to install Skript. You install it right here, and then you start your server. Then this should appear right here. Skript, and then scripts, and then I made one called test.sk. You're gonna make a new text document, and then and then you may rename the prefix to sk2, the file type. And then you should open up. It should kind of look like this. Depends on which text editor you're using. Let's make a simple script. We're gonna do on join. This is an event called on join, and then we're gonna make a thing called broadcast. Then you don't need any colon for broadcast. You do in quotation marks. We're gonna do I don't know how this is gonna look. You can also do colors in here, so you can do /ANSI, boom, and a, boom, and then you want to say, if this is gonna be a join message, so we want it to be the player's name. So in percent signs, you're gonna do player, and then and e, so that's yellow, has joined the game. So now if I do /sk reload tutorial. Oh no, it's test /sk reload test. Remember to save it, because if you don't save it, it won't reload properly. And as you see, it says CG Spectre has joined the game. So that's good. That's exactly what I typed. Alright. Except the color codes have been translated into actual colors. So that happened, and then let's do another one called, let's do a command. Command /haha. And then this, and then you have to do a trigger. Give player 128 sticks. /sk reload test. I thought I deleted tutorial.sk. I guess I have to rename the command. Let's do ha. Let's just do /ha. This should work for you. Haha should work for you, but I don't know. I thought I deleted tutorial.sk, but guess I didn't. Then I do /ha, and then I have 128 sticks. Haha, I can. Alright, let's go a little bit more in detail to this. This is going to be covering a lot of things, and then my next episodes they will go in more in detail. So let's do 128 sticks, named, and C for red, and L for bold, and N for underlined. Ha stick. Slash ha. Ha stick. Ha stick. Yeah. So that's interesting. This one just stick. Ha stick. So that's a little bit like that. Let's do another one. So we're gonna do ha stick, and then we're also gonna do. We've seen the broadcast over here. This broadcast to all players. This broadcast to the player executing the command or the event happened to. So we're gonna say send you have been given 128 in C and L and N ha sticks /sk reload. So this should make a message when I do /ha. You have been given 128 ha sticks. Another thing we can do is we can do on damage. We're gonna do command. Actually, no. On damage. We're gonna do cancel event, and then so this will on damage. It will cancel the death event, and let's do broadcast. Yeah, and we're gonna broadcast it in actually in yellow. Player. But has been damaged, but he has not been hurt because he is invincible. /sk reload test. Oh, sk reload test. Oh wait, on damage you cannot use player. You have to use either victim or attacker. I forgot about that. So if you've been damaged by a player, you can either put attacker and it'll say the attacker's name, or we can put the victim and it'll say the victim's name. And victim is what we want. So do /ha, 128 ha sticks, and then let's also get some damage. Dealt. GG Spectres has been damaged, but he's not been hurt because he is invincible. I hope you like this tutorial. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I am going to be posting a tutorial series about this. This is the first episode, of course. Bye.